This is a York Latitude heat pump. Bristol compressor. Model is THGD42S21S1A. Serial is WOE8907, so that's 2007, 166. York logo used to be right there. This one I filmed running in heat mode last winter. Model THGD42S21 S1A, and this is 05, it looks like, as well. Oh, this one's from 05, so this one's a little bit older, but not much older, only 2 years older. A.O. Smith fan motor. And these, I know these are heat pumps, but let me just double check. Yep, listed section of heat pump. Yep. Too bad they're not running right now. Must have killed these things weekend or something, I don't know. Nice units. There's a Duquesne right there. Very nice units. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.